World headlines, June 17th, 2025. Israel strikes Iranian-linked bases inside Syria. Heavy fighting resumes in Khartoum, Sudan. China flies 36 warplanes over Taiwan. Tensions rise. Gaza faces worsening humanitarian crisis. Mass protests in Kenya. Many arrested. Deadly storms and floods hit India. Biden and Trump prepare for key debate on June 27th. NASA records hottest May on record. Bitcoin crashes unexpectedly to $51,000. Apple and Google secretly developing next-gen AI. Now, let's get to the detailed news points. Israel versus Iran. Airstrikes. Hit Syria. Last night, Israeli warplanes carried out airstrikes in Tartus, Syria, targeting intelligence centers and military bases reportedly linked to Iran. It's suspected that the targeted sites were used to store missiles. Iran has not officially responded, while the US has urged both sides to de-escalate. Sudan, renewed clashes in Khartoum. Fierce fighting has reignited in Sudan's capital, Khartoum, between RSF forces and the National Army. Areas like Bari, Sharg el-Nil, and Kafuri have been hit hard. Many civilians remain trapped in their homes, with no access to humanitarian aid. China-Taiwan, rising military tensions. China flew 36 military aircraft over Taiwan in a show of force after a recent diplomatic visit from Taiwan to the US. Taiwan declared it is fully prepared to defend itself. The US has called on China to halt its military pressure. Gaza, humanitarian disaster, deepens. UNRWA and other international agencies are warning of a dire situation in Gaza. 80% of the population lacks sufficient food. Clean water and health care are nearly unavailable. Disease outbreaks are spreading in displacement camps. Kenya, mass protests against new taxes. Kenyans have taken to the streets in protest against the government's proposed tax hikes. Demonstrations erupted in cities including Nairobi, Mombasa, and Kisumu. Police responded with tear gas. Over 100 people have been arrested so far. India, deadly monsoon storms. Monsoon storms have caused widespread devastation in Maharashtra, India. At least 12 people have died. Homes have collapsed, and others remain missing. Emergency rescue efforts are underway. USA. Biden versus Trump debate. Looms. Presidential candidates. Joe Biden and Donald Trump are set for a high-stakes debate on June 27th. Key topics expected to dominate: the economy, border security, healthcare, foreign policy. NASA. Extreme heat in May. NASA reports that May 2025 was the hottest May ever recorded. Regions severely affected include the Middle East, North Africa, Southern Europe. Warnings have been issued for potential severe drought this year. Bitcoin. Sudden market crash. Bitcoin unexpectedly dropped to $51,000 after the US Federal Reserve announced plans to raise interest rates to combat inflation. This triggered widespread panic across cryptocurrency markets. Apple and Google. Secret AI project. Leaked sources reveal Apple and Google are jointly developing a next-generation AI system, expected to launch in phones by 2026. Will fully understand human voice, deliver emotional, context-aware responses, capable of self-learning over time.